Hello, one and all present here. This is Amit Kumar Singh. And in this class, we're going to discuss the difficult problem with respect to the series chapter. So, we're going to do this problem number 15. I hope you can see in my screen the question number 15 from the exercise 6B of the series chapter. Fine. So, when it comes to this question number 15, what is given in this question? It is given that the first two terms in ascending power of x in the expansion of 1 plus x in bracket 2 minus x by 4 to the power n is given. We need to find the value of n, p, and q. Okay, so I'm going to solve this question. So what I did, I just wrote down this problem here. Okay, I just wrote down the problem here so that we can solve this question. So what I need to talk about here I need to talk about the expansion of 1 plus x, then 2 minus x by 4 to the power n. Correct, right? Fine. So if you noticed in the option, what is given in the problem, they are talking about the first two terms, okay, where they have given one term with no coefficient, with no power of x, only p is there. The coefficient of that is p, where the term is independent of x. Another one is p plus x square. So the maximum power of x, what I need to take is x square. Okay, so I just focus on that. So here I'll write 1 plus x. If I do the expansion of this will be nc0, okay, 2 to the power n, then minus x by 4 to the power 0, then plus nc1, then 2 to the power n minus 1, okay. Then I'll write this as minus x by 4 to the power 1 plus nc2, 2 to the power n minus 2, then minus x by 4 to the power 2. If the power is even, then negative will give positive. You know this very well. So this is 1 plus x. Okay, nc0 is 1. This is 2 to the power n. Any number to the power 0 is 1. Then this will be minus nc1 is n, 2 to the power n minus 1. Okay, then this is x by 4. Fine. So then this is plus nc2 is n into n minus 1 by 2. Okay, 2 to the power n minus 2 I can write as 2 to the power n by 2 to the power 2, and this is x square by 16. Okay, so I can write this as 1 plus x. This is 2 to the power n minus nx by 4, nx by 4, and then if you write this 2 to the power n minus 1 as 2 to the power n by 2, so you can write this as 8, right? Divide by 8, plus this is n into n minus 1, divide by, this would be 8, right? This is what? This is 8, right? This is 8 into 16. 16 8s is 128. Correct me if I'm wrong. 16 8s are 128. Fine. So you can see this 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 7. Then you have 2 to the power n x square. Let me write x like this, x square. Fine. Those who are confused, they're not very sure, good with indices and all, please understand 2 to the power n minus 1 is nothing but 2 to the power n into 2 to the power minus 1. If you know the basic rule of indices, so 2 to the power n minus 1, this is 2 to the power n, this is into 1 by 2. This is what I did. So if this 2 to the power n minus 2, then I wrote 2 to the power n into 2 to the power minus 2. This become 2 to the power n by 4. Clear, everyone? Now, going further, I can write this. If I take LCM, should I take LCM? Okay, leave it. Don't take LCM. If I open bracket, you will get 2 to the power n minus nx into 2 to the power n by 8 plus n into n minus 1 into 2 to the power n by 2 to the power n by 128 into x square. Then then uh, then if you plus x, this x will multiply with 2 to the power n minus nx 2 to the power n, or you better write n into 2 to the power n into x by 8. This is into plus n into n minus 1 by 128 into 2 to the power n x square. So if I open the bracket, this is 2 to the power n minus n 2 to the power n x by 8, okay, plus n into n minus 1 into 2 to the power n by 128 x square plus 2 to the power n x, okay, then minus n into 2 to the power n by 8, then this is x square, and then you will get x cube. So x cube I'm not interested, okay, because we it's given, no, the maximum power of x is given x square only, so I'm only interested for this, okay. So the coefficient of x to the power 0, coefficient of x to the power 0 is what? This is 2 to the power n, okay. Then coefficient of x to the power 0 is 2 to the power n, and that is, I think, is given as p, right? What is given? P, correct. That is given as p. There's nothing else, right? Yeah. Then coefficient of x to the power 1, coefficient of x to the power 1 is given as, what is given, guys? If you noticed what is given here, this, if you notice this, this is like minus n 2 to the power n by 8, okay, and then this is plus 2 to the power n. So this is x, right? This, so this is given. This, nothing is given for this, right? Nothing is given for this. So let this is equal to 0, and then coefficient of x square is given as x square. What is x square? X square, x square. This is x square. X square is n into n minus 1 into 2 to the power n by 128. Then x square is, then your x square, then your x square is minus n 2 to the power n by 8, correct, right? Now this is given to as q, this is given to you as q, fine. So if I focus on x to the power 1 as 0, so minus n 2 to the power n by 8 plus 2 to the power n equal to 0. So if I take 2 to the power n common, so minus n by 8 plus 1 is equal to 0. So 2 to the power n, if it's equal to 0, that is not possible only in the law of indices. So minus n by 8 plus 1 equal to 0. So I can write n by 8 equal to 1, means n is equal to 8. So the value of n you got is 8. The value of n you got is 8. Okay. Then what is the value of p? P is, you can notice p is, p is 2 to the power n. So if p is 2 to the power n, then p value would be 2 to the power 8, means 256. Okay, what is q value? What is q value? So n is 8, right? N is 8. 8 minus 1, 7 into 2 to the power 8 by 128 minus n is 8 into 2 to the power 8 by 8. That is value of q. So I can take 2 to the power 8 common. So if I take 2 to the power 8 common, I'll get 56 by 128 minus 8 by 8. 8 by 8 means 1. Correct. This is value of Q. So Q is 256. Okay. This 56 by 128. So what is 56 by 128? If I divide by 8, 8 sevens are 56, 8 ones are 8, and 8 six are 16, 8 are 1, 2. This is 7 by 16 minus 1. That is the value of Q. So 256, 7 minus 16 by 16 is equal to Q. So 16 squares 256, right? So the Q value is 16 into 16 minus 7 means minus 9, right? 9 plus 7 is 9 plus 7 is 16, right? Is equal to Q. So Q value will be minus 144.